Using a combination of cooking functions is the secret to the perfect oven-baked risotto. Simply start by toasting the grains of rice to release the starch. Switching to a gentle steam function allows you to slowly cook the rice and stock, creating your amazing creamy risotto base. Stir through bright spring flavours like lemon, parmesan, spinach, peas and fresh herbs. Top with gently steamed snap peas for freshness and crunch, and you have created the most simple and deliciously creamy oven-baked risotto.